Hello everyone. Today we're talking about a topic that is self-care and skincare, and this topic is gaining so much popularity. We're talking about hand moisturizing glove masks. Have you ever struggled with dry, cracked hands? Well, these little wonders are going to be your best friend, so let's find out why. So, what exactly are hand moisturizing glove masks? They are single use gloves that are infused with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter. They help to repair your hand, deeply hydrate, while also locking in moisture. Now, why should we consider using hand moisturizing glove masks? Well, they offer a multitude of benefits. They target dry, cracked hands, they help to soften the cuticles, and also improve the overall texture of your hands. Plus, they're super convenient because you can use them while doing chores, while watching TV, or even sleeping. Let's talk about how to use these amazing masks. First, you want to clean and dry your hands, and then slip on the gloves, ensuring a snug fit. Then you want to leave it on for the recommended amount of time, which is usually 15 to 20 minutes. And once time's up, you want to remove the mask gently and rub or massage in the excess product. You will instantly notice softer and smoother skin. Now, with so many masks available in the market, choosing the right one for you can be overwhelming. So, what you want to consider is looking into your skin type and concerns. If you have dry skin, for example, and you want something for extra hydration, you want to look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. If you have sensitive skin, you want to look for something that is fragrance free or hypoallergenic. And remember, reusable masks are great for the environment. So, my most favorite one is this reusable hand gloves that I have, and I got them online. These ones are great for moisturizing. They have olive oil, they have vitamin E, they have essential oils. So, they help with moisturizing your skin, like I said, they help with dry, cracked skin. And yeah, you leave them on for 20 minutes. And what I love about them is that they don't feel all like slimy and sticky. They feel sort of like rubbery because they're reusable ones. And I'm going to leave these on for 20 minutes and see you soon. So while I have these gloves on, I thought I'd let you know how often you should be using these masks. So if you have severely dry skin or are in need of an extra hydration boost, then using them several times a week would be a great idea. But if you want them for just general maintenance or hydration, then once a week is more than sufficient. Just try and incorporate them into your self care routine for an extra pampering session. And there you have it. Hand moisturizing gloves are a great way to treat your hands with that much needed TLC. And don't forget, consistency is key to get those soft and supple hands. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare content. You can also leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.